Can AI create a short film for completely free? Well, today I'm going to be testing that out. Hey everyone, this is me Naya. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be challenging myself to create a short film only using AI. And when I'm saying that I'm only going to use AI, I mean it. Every single step is going to be done by AI. So I'm just going to type in prompts and make a short film of 2 minutes or something using only AI, and that's gonna be quite interesting. And that too, I'm gonna be using free tools, so even you guys can try it out after watching this video. So make sure to stay till the end to see the final result, because you surely don't want to miss it. And I am getting too excited for the final result. Will the result actually be a success, or will it be a complete disaster? Let us find out. Let's get started. So the first step to creating any good short film is obviously creating a good script. So since I don't have any script with me already, let's use ChatGPT, because obviously we are using AI for everything right now, right? So yeah, let's use ChatGPT and let's see if it creates a good script, and then let's continue with the story. Okay, I'm here in ChatGPT. Let's ask it to create a short film. So I think it would be better to make it like probably some horror kind of story, because I want some horror, suspense, thriller story right now. So let's just ask it to create that. So create a 2-minute short film that I think this is a pretty good prompt. Let's put it into ChatGPT and let's see what it says. Yeah. Here's a short horror film script designed for AI generation with a thrilling suspense. Okay, fine. Okay, the title is Echoes of the Unknown. Okay, interesting. Main character Elena, late 20s, investigative, journalist, smart, curious, skeptical. She specializes in non-Korean. I like the title Echoes of the Unknown. Hopefully it'll be an interesting story. Now let's get on with the making. The step 2. So the next step is obviously creating images using AI. So I'll be using Dream Machine by LumaLabs here. It creates really good, images through text prompts, and that's actually quite good for the story. I'll be using that right now. So yeah, let's start a board. Let's generate things. So let's generate the main character here. Copy. Yeah, main character Elena. Let's copy it and paste it here. Let's generate. Oh my god. Okay. Let's see what it generates. Okay, I can see some good images here. Whoa. Which image should we take? I feel like, what is this thing? Late 20s, investigative, journalist, smart, curious, skeptical. So she doesn't believe in ghosts. I don't think there should be someone like, being scared. This doesn't suit her, so nah. I feel like this is much better. This is a curious person, so I'm gonna download this. Yeah. Now let's create the scenes. Copy, paste. Yeah. Now let's generate. Let's see this now. Okay. Hopefully the Elena is similar to this person. Okay. I think this suits better. Yeah. This shows like she is the missing girl, so nah. And this like, she's too excited about it. I think this suits better. But she's not wearing the same clothes. I don't like this. Should have generated. Wait. Should I generate again? But I don't want to waste my credits, because yeah, so I'll just download this one. And let's go on with this one. And let's actually copy the Elena's character. Just copy it, paste it here, so that AI knows how Elena looks like. Okay, and doesn't keep changing the looks of her, because I want to keep it consistent. Yeah, so scene 2, she pushes. Okay, sound and voice is not necessary. Let's copy. Paste. Generate. Okay. Let's see what it generates. Now, I think this would describe it better. I'm sure this suits it. I'm just gonna download it. Okay. Now, scene 2 is done, right? Yeah. Scene 3. So I just got done with generating all the images, and honestly, it sounds like a pretty interesting story, but I just don't like the fact that clothes are changing here and there a bit. And it's fine. At least something I got. Let's continue with the third step, which is taking these images and converting it into videos. How do we do that? I'm going to be using Runway ML. So let's get to that now. So start a new session. Yeah, okay, so drop an image. Nothing to say, I think I'll just add this image. Like zoom in, so 5 seconds I'll create. Zoom in. Zoom in on the character. That's all, because I have no other thing to do right now. Let's generate. Okay, let's see. It's just gonna zoom in on the character, nothing so special. So yeah. Yeah, it's just gonna zoom in. Good. Should I download it now? Yeah, I'll just download it. Yeah. So now let's put this thing. Story. Let's generate. It's done. What? Why is it? Okay. It just continued. Okay, damn it. It is just continuing. Okay. That's great. So after that, she's reading the thing. Okay, interesting. Let's download it. And anyways, guys, I am on free version. I am not, paid for this. So that's why I don't want to waste credits. Scene 2, she pushes open the door. Hallway. Okay, copy. Let's paste it on Runway ML. Generate. Okay, so I just got done with creating videos from the images in Runway ML. It took time, so I paused, the recording and actually finished it by myself. That's because it took way too much of time, and I didn't want to make the video so long, so I just did it in the meanwhile. I stopped recording. But anyways, let's see what it turned out to be. Now the next step is of adding sounds and audio, basically, the sound effects and all. Now let's do that. So for that we have ElevenLabs. So let's go to ElevenLabs. So we need sound effects, right? Let's go to ChatGPT. What did it suggest? Okay, echoes of the unknown, voices, wind howling, distant whispers. Okay, this was in the first scene, so let's copy it. So let's generate sound effects. Let's listen. It's good. Should we listen to some others as well? The first one's better. Bro, I can't even hear this. I think the first one's good. Nah, I'm sure this is way better, so I've downloaded that one too. Okay, next. Door creak, floorboards groaning, faint echo of a girl's laughter. Whoa, that's interesting. Voice generator. Doesn't sound good at all. I don't know. creek. I can't hear a girl's laughter. Okay, what should I go with? I think this is good because like there's a faint echo at the back, so I think this would go good. I'm downloading that. Okay, next. Copy and paste. Okay. Where is the heartbeat sound? The loud door slam is good. Oh my god. Okay. Where's the heartbeat? Oh my god, that looks like someone's just banging on the door. I think this is good. Let's download this one. Let's go faster. Okay, so now there's just one last step left, which is editing. So now I'm gonna edit it real quick in Filmora. There's nothing really to edit here actually. It's just me, adding all the videos, all the short clips together along with the sound effects that I downloaded from ElevenLabs. I'm just gonna do that real quick and come back when I'm done with it. Okay, I'm so excited to tell you all that I'm finally done with my short film. Woo! Okay, I just created my first ever short film using AI for completely free. Wow. Okay, see, here's the film.
Just another ghost story. You should not be here. Leave now. Help me. Help me. Just another ghost story.
So how was it? Did you like it? Is it good? Is it interesting? Well, was it a success or was it a disaster? I don't know, comment down below. See, when I first, got done with the video, I first thought, nah, it's not good, I don't like it. But then I thought, this is like the first ever film I've ever made. Even though it's a short 1-minute film, it's like the first thing, a short film I've ever created. And plus I've used AI with free tools. And isn't that mind-blowing? I just created all that using AI within just a few minutes. Yeah, and that's crazy. And that's exactly what I wanted to show you all. So this was my first experiment with AI. Comment down below what you want me to do next. Would I make such a short film again? Maybe. But probably I'll search for better tools. Right now, I think it was a pretty good short film. Not bad. I like it. It's fine. It was just a fun experiment. I had fun. I'm pretty sure you all also had fun watching me make this short film. So that's it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell on so that you don't miss any of my new uploads, because I am gonna post more such interesting AI experiment videos and you surely don't want to miss it. Also, share this video with a friend who really wants to, know how to make a short film but has no idea where to start from. Okay, so that's all. See you all next time. Bye!